Hi everybody, it's Zoe with Hungry Wanderlust, and today I'm gonna show you how to make Thai fried chicken. It is delicious and one of my favorite foods.
First, we're going to need to season our chicken drumsticks. I have about 6 here.
We're going to need some cilantro ends. You don't need the leaves, just the ends that we're gonna chop up. I'm doing a whole head of garlic because I absolutely love garlic, and you're also gonna need some white pepper. You can find this at any Asian store. You can also use black pepper if you want, but white pepper just has a really delicious flavor to it. And then we're gonna pound everything together in our mortar and pestle.
I chopped up this garlic and I'm just gonna pound it a little bit at a time. I am going to add my chopped cilantro to this. Nice handful of white pepper. Oh, it's gonna have a punch. And then I'm just gonna add a little bit of sea salt to just kind of bind everything together. I'm gonna lightly beat 1 egg. Two tablespoons of water to that, 2 tablespoons of regular soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, and 4 tablespoons of our flour. And then we're also going to add our paste that we just made. So we're just going to mix it all up to make a batter. We're going to add this batter to my drumsticks. We're gonna mix, so make sure that it's all incorporated. Make sure everything is really well coated. Goodness, so excited. Just get it. We're doing one more step. We're gonna coat these chicken pieces in flour before we fry them so that it gets a really nice coat and super crunchy. So crunchy. Add lots of neutral oil to a pan and cook on medium to low heat. You don't want the oil to be super hot, just barely hot. You just put a chopstick in, and if it makes some bubbles, you're ready to go.
I'm just gonna keep flipping these back and forth every few minutes to make sure it gets nice and cooked evenly.
Drain on paper towels and enjoy with some sweet chili sauce.
So this plate is looking really pretty. I'm gonna dip it in this garlic chili sauce I just made. My God, so good.
Thanks so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.